Okay, so we're up here at Alice's for the annual, well, the monthly Factory 5 get together. So right now we've got Dave's Daytona, we got a GTM, we got 2 Cobras, and my coupe as well. So right now there's 5 of us. I'm not sure how many more coming because we never know, but yeah. So this car here was just completed. When did you complete your Cobra? About what, a month ago, 2 months ago?
2 months ago.
So this one was just completed about 2 months ago. One of Jeff Miller's last paint jobs. It's this dark metallic green, looks absolutely stunning. Gen 3 Coyote, and by the way, he's running it with no tune. I don't know how the hell it runs, but he says it runs pretty good. So yeah, pretty clean car. I like the old school looking wood dash.
Like yours.
Are they
like
coming?
Yours.
So check this out.
2022 Jaguar
Wing Envy.
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks like we just had breakfast here at Alice's. Now we're pulling on out. And this is it, just 5 of us.
Text a picture of these cars and tell Dave he's running, Dave.
So 2 Cobras GTM, 2 Type 65s. This one here was just completed, so as you can see, it's still in process. So I guess that's it. We'll call that a wrap. So that was another good episode here. 5 cars, hoping for more, but that's all we get. So thanks again for watching. Hit subscribe.